Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Guys, uSibiya ke broke down crying in court. It's so heartbreaking, guys, and sad because it's crazy when you didn't kill someone and you didn't delete anybody, didn't alive anyone. That you must suffer like this thing for so many years, guys. These guys have been in jail for 6 years. Could have been 5, mhlambe, and some, but it's 6. Uzukhali, I'm just like, you know what, ngesiZulu khona isisho sithi ingembezi zamuntu azweli phansi. Guys, labantu ade bekhala nama-families abo. Ngithi mina uGininda, how can he mess up with so many families? How does he go to sleep at night engabi nayo insomnia? Hayi ngeke, guys, this is a lot. Esekhala, oh my heart, I was just like umntana abantu. Hayi shame, it's so unfair. You know, guys, now I'm a bit like teary now. Yo, abonje ubuhlungu impela bafana. Cause ziyayiphumela nje ingembezi. How we got to cry Umuzi is because he was trying to explain the whole situation yokuthi they took him home because kuba vele bebengazi ukuthi ukuphi, and then he showed his father ukuthi bamshayephi, ubaba kho vele wakhala, and he was sitting in the car with the dad, and then the mom also came to sit with him in the car. Qala amaphoyisa wona, they went into the house and then came back with the father first. The father was also crying when he saw umntanakhe, the way he was and the way he was beaten by the police. And then the mother also came into the car to sit with him, and then the mother also started to cry. You know, when he was now explaining when the mother also cried, he started crying in court. Guys, Urat, I'm sure it's just like whatever. I don't even think unaimizwa Urat. Urat has no feelings. It was so emotional, guys. And washo umnisi, you know what, let's just adjourn a bit so that you can compose yourself, ube right, and then come back, ube right. And even not Jonah social, you just became emotional, my lord. Guys, bo, isn't that esenziwa abantwini? Yabona oGininda, guys. Ngiyakutshela. I don't even know how they do it. Sami lapho kwamanje because they had to adjourn a bit.